Coming out tonight and joining us for our Samoan Fiafia night. Amen. We are glad that you could join us tonight. Very quickly, we have one announcement, and that is tomorrow we are going to be having a Games and Fellowship night. That is going to be at 3 p.m. tomorrow. So if you want to come and join us, you're more than welcome. That is going to be at 8 Avenue. So that's just in Mount Roskill. If you want to join us, please come and see me for more details. But it's going to be tomorrow at 3. You're more than welcome to come and join us. Amen. But that's all the announcements tonight. Why don't we give God praise and receive our tithes and offerings tonight. Amen. Amen. We're going to take up and receive. We're going to get into our Samoan Fiafia now. Why don't we make some noise for our boys tonight? Let's go! Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, oh, so let's.
Muchas.
Come on. Up next, we have our ladies.
Pulang
Amen. Up next, we have one of our brothers.